first step when closing a Galaxy dehumidifier is to place the cabinet back on the unit. Next, for step number 2, you need to slide the power cord into place on the exhaust side of the machine. For step 3, you want to use a screwdriver or a drill to screw on both sides of the cabinet. Keep in mind that there will be 4 screws per side of the unit. As you approach the power cord, make sure that the power cord stays secure in its grommet. For step 4, you need to reconnect the display by plugging it into the white cord on the front of the machine. Next, for step 5, you want to line up the front faceplate on the machine and screw into place. There will be 1 screw on each side of the circular cutout at the 3 and 9 o'clock position. Once the faceplate is screwed in, you can move on to step number 6, which is attach the front filter grill and rotate counterclockwise to attach. Screw in the safety screw located at the bottom of the grill. For step 7, you can go ahead and move to the back of the machine. Attach the drain tube to the back faceplate and slide the back faceplate into position. Next, for step number 8, use the 18mm ratchet and tighten the drain nut completely. Moving on to step number 9, you need to thread the white sensor wire through the hole in the upper left corner of the faceplate. Connect the sensor to the wire, then attach it to the housing and slide the entire sensor into place. Once the sensor is in place, move on to step number 10, which is to screw in the back faceplate. Just like with the front faceplate, there's 1 screw on either side of the cutout at the 3 and 9 o'clock position. Finally, for step number 11, you can insert the back filter grill and rotate clockwise to secure.